Guys, look at this hair. I honestly wasn't planning to make waistline twists anytime soon, but something told me to switch things up, and wow, I don't regret it at all. Just take a look at the length, the color, and the fullness. This hairstyle came out even better than I imagined. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that my natural hair journey wasn't been easy. My hair used to be a relaxed hair, and getting it back to this healthy, full virgin hair took patience, consistency, and a lot of determination. But before I show you the entire process and the final results, let me tell you a story, a true life story about a young lady whose kindness changed someone's life forever. And trust me, if you were in her shoes, I'm not sure you would have made the same decision. So grab your drink, relax, enjoy the hair transformation, and let's get into today's story. For evildoers shall be cut off, for those who wait on the Lord they shall inherit the earth. For yet a little while, and the wicked shall be no more. Psalm 37, verse 9 to 10. This is the story of a Nigerian lady who was based in America, and her parents also lived in America. So this Nigerian lady was so successful. She was in her late 30s. She already had establishment. She has all the money. In fact, she was well to do, but there was only one thing that was missing in her life, which is marriage, life partner. So most guys that came into her life, they only came because they knew that she had money, she was well to do. So she was finding it hard to get someone that truly loves her for her, not because of what she had. So on a fateful day, she met with this Nigerian man, also in his 40s, late 40s, but the man was young. So they get to know each other. They started off as a friend. So before you know it, the man said that he was interested in her. You understand that he has never been married in her life. He has never been married in his life. She believed him because the parents of the lady told her, "Okay, are you sure? Have you done your research? Do you know this man from Adam? Do you know the kind of family he came from?" The woman said, "That's a Funke thing. Mommy, don't worry. I believe him. I know that definitely I'm not making the wrong decision." So the parents trusted that judgment, so they allowed him. The man got married to this beautiful lady. 5 years into the marriage, no issue, no baby, no children. Guess what? The man was just unbothered. In fact, day and night the woman would cry. Now she was already in her late 30s now. All she needed at that moment was just to get married so that she can start bringing forth children. But now, no children. So she was crying because she had money. They went to carry out so many procedures, IVF, so many things. Everything failed. So this lady was crying. They spent money. On the other hand, the man was busy using her money, spending her money because they were not married now. So the lady's money is his money. So she was just spending the lady's money. So even the lady was sending money to the guy's family. There was a particular lady of which the husband said it was her sister. So the lady was this Funke was sending money to her every time and all that. So this man was just on board that. So there was a day they now went to go and see their doctor. They now said, he wants to conduct test on the man. That at least we've been examining this woman for the longest. The man now said, okay. So that was how they now did the test on me and everything. And I said, do you have a history of you ever doing anything I've ever said to me before? Man, I'm like, no, it must be mistaken, doctor. I've never done such in my life. And in fact, I've never heard about that in my life. The woman was surprised. Before now, as a woman, you'll be having these instincts and all that. So the woman started having instincts about the husband and all that. So the doctor now said, but this a result shows that you have history of such before. You've done something like that before. The man was like, no, it can never be. And I said, okay, since you said no, but we'll still put your result under review. So by this time, the woman was now having different thoughts on her. Okay, so she just kept quiet. She didn't even say it loud. My lady now began to do our own personal research on the man. The man not knowing. The man would transfer money, company money to our parents. So this particular lady in Nigeria, you understand? So the lady now began to he was not seeing so many things about the man. The man has lied, so many lies. The man has children for different women. The man is just following different just to be able to meet up with his own lifestyle. So what made her to burst into tears was that the sister that she thought was in Nigeria, in fact, then she would call the sister, I've not been able to give your brother a child. That one will be encouraging. Don't worry, God will do it. She now later found out that woman was actually the wife to this young man. Yeah. So it was a plan work for them for the man to come over to America, then get someone that is already a citizen of America. Then after that is well established, before you know it, after marriage and all that, they can just divorce. Then everybody go their way. After we should have already gained what he wants to gain. Then before you now bring the wife in, according to the phone care, according to her, she said the lady that was in Nigeria, that before he allowed the husband to leave for this wicked mission, that the woman said, for me to be sure that you will not go there and start giving birth and you not forget me about my children, you must go for this operation, this vasectomy, so that I will know that you will not be able to give birth again. Then I cannot fully support you. So that was how this man now went to undergo that procedure, and he now traveled to come and make this he now traveled to America, that he now met this phone care. You can see how wicked this man is. So all this period that this lady was crying, was sharing tears, was doing all this, moving from pillar to post just for her to be able to conceive, this man knew everything, that it was not even the lady's fault. All the fault was his, but he still decided to keep quiet and play alone. You can see that the heart of man is very wicked. It's very wicked. So this Funke now decided to for you to be able to do this to me, you can even kill me. So he now asked the man, because when everything was blaring, he now faced the man to ask him, why did you choose to hurt me? The man didn't even feel any remorse. Like, he was not like, He didn't even feel any remorse. So that was how she now went to go and report to the authorities. So they did their investigation and they deported this man back to Nigeria. And just imagine 5 years wasted because she met the wrong person. After waiting, may God not allow us to meet wrong person after waiting so long. But guess what? God honored her, because she later
she later realized that everything that you need to do in this life to make success, if God is not included, you are just wasting time. So she now went back to God again, began to cry, part because that moment she was really broken. She was devastated because all her heart, she never thought that that man could ever do such a thing to her. But here we are. She poured her heart to God. She cried to God, and God blessed her. A man that God blessed her, a man of virtue, a man that honors her, a man that loves her, a man that cherishes her. And guess what? God blessed them. 1 year of marriage. The next year, God blessed them with twins. 2, a girl and a boy. For her shame, God gave her double. So I'm here to say, I don't know what you're passing through. I don't know what you're passing through. But just know that whatsoever you're passing through, God loves you. And God will give you double for every trouble that you have passed through and you feel that the world has ended. No, God loves you. So take care and remain blessed. See you in our next one. I hope you love the story and also this app. I hope you love it also. Stay blessed and see you in our next one. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. So, bye bye.